Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss if you can change your country settings on the PayPal app. So let's start. When you open the PayPal app and go to settings, you will find various options. However, there is no specific setting or option to change your country. When you create a new PayPal account, it asks to choose your nationality along with other personal details. So after you create an account using a specific nationality, you cannot change it as long as you have that account. The PayPal community guidelines clearly mention this information. So the only way to change your country is by deleting your current account and creating a new one with a different nationality. That is the only method by which you can have a PayPal account by using a different nationality. Other than that, there is no such feature to change your country once you have created an account using a different country. I hope this video cleared any confusions and you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future contents.